start us off.
All right. Well, People Care Health Services has been around for almost 30 years. We provide personalized in-home care assistance for older adults, for adults and children with disabilities and long-term health conditions, and for people recently discharged from the hospital who are recovering at home. Actually, People Care has not been overly impacted by COVID because the people we serve require our assistance every day, sometimes many times a day, pandemic or no pandemic. We have followed CDC guidelines, Department of Health guidelines for many years. We've done so during COVID and will continue to do so long after COVID is gone. It actually takes a lot of passion and heart to be a caregiver, and our caregiver team hasn't skipped a beat through the pandemic. They have risen to the challenge of being caregivers in our clients' homes, assisting them, helping them stay independent where they want to live, which is in their own homes.
So we all know about social distancing, 6 feet away, masks. One of the things that can happen with that is isolation. So we were worried about our staff, we were worried about their families, our patients, and so we created a concept called social bridging, which really was an outreach to make sure that everybody was okay, that they knew that not only did we provide services, bathing, dressing, grooming, all of those wonderful things to keep people independent at home, but we really wanted to make sure that mentally and emotionally they were okay, that they felt like we were there. So my favorite question that people ask me, and the one I'm most proud of, is why? Why does People Care do what we do? And while we provide services to keep people independent at home, it's really more about who comes to your home. It really is about the honor and the dignity in which we serve not only our patients, but how we treat our staff. It's really more about that this exists because people need it. And at the end of the day, it's the passion and it's the drive that we're most proud of. That's our why. Someone has to do it, and we stand on the front line to deliver that. So if you need people who care, give us a call, go to our website, peoplecarehs.com, and we'd be happy to talk to you about how we can help.